In the latest update on the Nimisha Priya death row case, the Indian Supreme Court has allowed the private organization working for the Indian nurses released to approach the central government. This is to seek permission to travel to Yemen for negotiations to stall Nimisha Priya's execution for the murder of a Yemeni national. The petitioner informed the top court that it will be seeking permission from the Indian government to allow 2 to 3 members from the petitioner's side, a representative of the Kerala outfit, and one from the government side to travel to Yemen to meet the victim's family and further the negotiations. The petitioner submitted that without permission from the centre, no Indian citizen can visit Yemen as there is a travel ban in place. Efforts are underway to negotiate with the victim's family to persuade them to pardon Nimisha Priya after accepting blood money as per the Shariat law. The SC bench allowed the organisation to file a representation before the government and posted the matter for the 14th of August. Nimisha Priya's execution was earlier scheduled for the 16th of July. Priya, a nurse from Palakkad district of Kerala, was convicted of murdering her Yemeni business partner in 2017. She was sentenced to death in 2020 and her final appeal was rejected in 2023. She is currently imprisoned in jail in Sana'a, the capital of Yemen. For more on this, the correspondent Siddharth MP has sent us this report from Chennai. Listen to this.
The Nimisha Priya International Action Council is an India-based organization that has been fighting to save Nimisha Priya, an Indian national who is on death row in Yemen for allegedly murdering a Yemeni national who was once her business partner. In this particular case, the Action Council approached the Indian Supreme Court seeking permission to travel to Yemen. The Supreme Court today granted permission to the International Action Council to reach out to the Indian government to seek permission to travel to Yemen. It must be noted that Indian nationals cannot travel to Yemen without permission from the Indian government, that too under very exceptional circumstances. India also does not have diplomatic presence in Yemen, which is a war-torn country. Therefore, the International Action Council will now approach the Indian government to get permission to travel there. They also hope that they can take some key members from Muslim community to go there and convince the victim's family to pardon Nimisha Priya. However, we must also remember that this case is a very critical matter because the victim's family, as we understand, is not willing to pardon Nimisha Priya, and they're very firm in their stance that she must be punished and she must be executed. From Chennai, Siddharth MP, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.